Hello friends, now we will continue with the microscopic anatomy of the skeletal muscle fiber. Here we will see the sarcolemma, transverse tubules and the sarcoplasm. Okay, first we will see sarcolemma. Sarcolemma is the plasma membrane of the muscle fiber. Means the membrane that cover the muscles cells are known as sarcolemmas. Okay, and a thousand tiny invagination of the sarcolemma is called as transverse tubules, and these tubules are open to the outside of the muscle fiber, and these tubules are filled with the interstitial fluid, and the main function of these tubules are that they help in quickly transfer of the extend potential throughout the muscle fiber. Okay, because they are connected with the muscles fibers, and the extend potential that travel in the sarcolemma, they they go through the T tubules, and these T tubules are helping in quickly transfer of these signals, okay, to the entire muscle fiber at same intensity. The intensity of this signal in the starting time is the same at the at this at the signal are transferred to the whole muscle fiber. Okay, so sarcoplasm is the cytoplasm of the muscle fibers, and these cytoplasm contain the glycogens, and these glycogens are the largest molecules that composed of many of the glucose molecule, and these glycogens are used in the ATP synthesis. And also cytoplasm of the muscle fiber contain myoglobins. These myoglobins combine with the oxygen molecules. Okay, so like hemoglobin, the hemoglobin is combined with the oxygen molecule. Same here in the muscles have myoglobin protein that is attached with the oxygen molecule. So these oxygen molecules are help in the ATP synthesis in the mitochondria. So in the cytoplasm of the muscle fiber have many organelles, and in the cytoplasm they also contain mitochondria. So as you know, the mitochondria is the energy currency of the cell. So it at that organelle the ATP is synthesized. So synthesis of ATP, one molecule of oxygen is utilized. Okay, so that oxygen is come from the myoglobins. So now we see the detailed structure of the muscle fiber. So let's see this diagram. Here you see the sarcoplasmic reticulums. This sarcoplasmic reticulum we will discuss in the next slide. Okay, so don't be confused with these terms. This is the sarcolemma, that is the plasma membrane of the muscle cells. Okay, this is the muscle fiber. These are the myofibrils, and these myofibrils contains the thick and thin filaments. Okay, this also we discuss in the next upcoming slides. Okay, this is the sarcoplasm, that is outside the myofibrillin. Okay, this is the nucleus, this is the mitochondria, that is the production of ATP, and here you see the triad. So triad is formed by the transverse tubules and the terminal cisterine. Okay, so these are the blue colored tubules that open outside the muscle fiber are known as transverse tubules, and also we discuss the terminal cisterine in the next slide. Okay, next. Go to the next diagram. Here you see the terminal cystine. Basically, what is the terminal cystine? It is the dilation of the sarcolemma. So it is nothing another organelle. It is the dilation of the sarcolemma. Okay, and these terminal cystine are covered by the two T tubules, that is a two transverse tubule. Here you see there are two yellow colored tubules that are outside the terminal cystine. Okay, so these are the terminal cystine. They contain calcium ions. Okay, this is the muscle fibrillins, that is contain thick and thin filaments. This is the sarcoplasmic reticulum. Next we will move to the next slide. Okay, here we see the myofibrillin that we have that myofibrillin we have already seen in the previous slides. Okay, and sarcoplasmic reticulum. Okay, at the high magnification the sarcoplasm stuffed with the little threads. Okay, means that the cytoplasm is having stuffing of little thread, having a covering of little thread. So these little thread, nothing, these are the myofibrillins. Okay, these are the myofibrillins, and these myofibrillins have diameter that is 2 micrometer. Okay, there is diameter is 2 micrometer and extended the entire length of the muscle fibers. Next is the these thread like structure, that is myofibrillin, that make the skeleton muscle straightened. Okay, that make the muscles have a lines that are some dark and light bands. Okay, these fibrillin make the light and dark bands. Okay, next is the sarcoplasmic reticulum. Sarcoplasmic reticulum is the membranous organ that is filled with the fluid. Okay, it is a membranous organ that is filled with the fluid, and at the end of the sarcoplasmic reticulum they are dilate. The end of the sarcoplasmic reticulum is dilated and form the terminal cystine. Okay, it is form a terminal cystine. That terminal cystine is covered by the two T tubules, and the reticulum is the storage house of calcium ions. When the muscles are relaxed, when there is no stimulation inside the muscles, the sarcoplasmic reticulum contain the calcium ions, and release of calcium ions from these terminal cystines of the sarcoplasmic reticulum trigger the muscle contraction. So at the time of muscles are contracted, the sarcoplasmic reticulum release the calcium ions, and these calcium ions are attached on the actin proteins, have some proteins on the actin membrane attached on that, and change their structure and contraction will be happened. Okay, next we see the filaments, that is the myofibrillin filaments and the sarcomere. Okay, so in the myofibrillin have small protein structures called as filaments. So inside the microfilaments have a small filament protein like structure is known as filaments, and these filaments are two types: thin filaments and the thick filaments. The thin filament have a diameter 8 millimeter and length is 1 to 2 micrometers. This is the dimensions of the thin filaments, and these thin filaments is composed of actin proteins, and actin proteins are the contractile proteins. These also proteins are discussed in the next upcoming slides. Okay, so listen this lecture carefully, because it help you to overcome your doubts. Okay, so next is the thick filament. Thick filament is have a diameter 12 millimeters, and their length is same as the thin filament, that is 1 to 2 micrometer, and it is composed of myosin protein, and this myosin protein are also contractile proteins. Next we see the sarcomere. The sarcomere is the basic unit of muscle fiber, and the narrow plates region of the dense protein material, that is the inside the filaments have a dense protein material, have a narrow plates. These plates are form a Z line, and these Z line, these Z disc are separated one sarcomere to the another sarcomere. Okay, so so sarcomere is the extended from the one Z disc to the next Z disc. Now we see the various bands and zones on the sarcomeres. Okay, now see the diagram. Here you see the black circle, circled sarcomere. This is the red colored, that is the outer side of the covering of the membrane is the sarcomere, that's the plasma membrane of the muscle fiber. This is yellow colored circle is contain the mitochondria. These are the light and dark bands. Brown colored circle is the dark band contain A band, and light band, that is the yellow. Now this is the magnified structure of the myofibrin. Here you see the thin and thick filaments. Okay, and also you see a Z line between the thin filaments that separate the one sarcomere to the another sarcomere. Okay, and here you see a Z zone, that is contain only the thick filaments. Okay, this is the Z zone, and here you see I band contain only the thin filament, and A band contain a whole thick filament. It also contains some thin filaments and also have a thick filament, so it is a band. And here inside the A band you see a M line. So M line is between the thick filament. Okay, so now we see the sarcomere contain Z disc and half of the I band. Okay, plus A band and also M line, and plus half of I band and Z disc. Okay, so here you see in the diagram, that is circled by green circle. So it contains Z disc, and this also contain half of the I band, a whole A band, plus a M line, and after M line it also contain half I band and a Z disc. Okay, so this whole make a sarcomere.